Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Chandray. Today we are going to discuss about the very important point which is used in a project management, that is called WBS. WBS is stand for Work Based Breakdown Structure. So let us discuss about that this new and very interesting concept. My contents of presentation is: first we discuss about the introduction of the WBS, second the goal of WBS, then how to create a work breakdown structure, then characteristic of WBS, and after that we discuss about the uses of WBS, and I will explain you the one example with WBS. We discuss about the introduction of the WBS. I told you before that work breakdown structure is the full form of WBS. Means in every project systems, project can be integrated or divided into many parts. That is the breakdown of the work, or we can say that the structure. In a project management is a method to completing a complex uh, in every complex. It is the multi-step project. It is divided into a conscious, a large projects. Examples in we can take the examples of the bullet train. So bullet train is the project to connect between the high speed train. There will be two cities in this project is Mumbai and Ahmedabad. So at a same time we cannot build a whole project. So this project can be divided into the many parts. Second, the goal of the WBS. The aim of the WBS are to make a large project a more manageable. Second one, it's breaking down into a smaller and very subdivision part. Then work can be done simultaneously by the different team members, leading to a better team productivity. In every project, there are many departments are involved, or many others workers are involved. Example is uh, in college also there are the very different departments, very different teachers from particular subject. There are a clerical department, maintenance department, examining department, so on so on. Hence it is the required to break down in every project. Next is the easier a project manage. It is important to managing to all departments. Next is how to create a work breakdown structure. The initial part of the every project is to discuss that the goal of the project or the scope of the project and also key of the project. In every projects, the number of departments are involved, so it is the very important to discuss the stockholder and owner of that projects. Project is the long term strategy. Hence there are the important to meeting with stockholders and all team members. In WBS method, we can use a Gantt charts, which is important in a timeline. Second, flow charts. There are different types of flow charts we can use. Then spreadsheets also we can use. Also we can use that the list of the shows and horticulture outlines. Then the characteristic of WBS. There are many types of characteristics of WBS, but there are four important characteristics of WBS. The first one is 100% users, means we can use the 100% efficient project, and we can use the all all the resources and all project members. Second one is the work packaging sizing. Uh, when we draw a WBS, we can analyze the packaging and resources of that project. Then also the codification. The codification is important because the project is the large number of scale. Then we can use to codification. Hence, we can easily run a WBS. Also, the main characteristic of the WBS is to understand the structure of the WBS. Now, next slide is uses of WBS. Why we WBS are using in the project management. So first is a scheduling. We can arrange all scheduled when we start the project, when we end the project, when we start a second phase, third phase, and fourth phase. It is a very important to understand what is the schedule of that project because the budget is dependent on schedule. Second one, planning and budgeting. After that schedule, we can make a plan of the budget. Budget is the very important because the cost of the budget are helping to budget will be profitable or not. Third one is estimating cost. Estimating cost is important because the whole project is depend on that particular budget. If the estimating cost is less than uh, final cost, then the project will be beneficial. If the final cost is greater than initial cost, then the project will be over budgeting. This kind of information we can collect from the estimating cost. Fourth one is identifying the risk. In WPS, we discuss about the all risk and hazards. So it is helpful to find out the errors of that project. Second one, making a resources arrange assignments. In WPS, we discuss about that resources and all. And last one is measuring and controlling performance. After that, we completing project, we measuring our performance and all controls. Last slide. Uh, there is an example of WBS when we construct the house, how we draw the WBS. So in this diagram we understand the WBS of controlling house. There is a three. First one is the construction of assignment. We start, then internal, then foundation, external, then uh, electrical, excavator, money works, plumbing, steel extraction, building. These types of all plannings we can done in WBS. So WBS is important in every project. Okay, thank you.